Here are a few books about saving money that offer valuable insights and strategies for managing your finances. Number 1, The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey. This book provides a step-by-step plan for financial fitness. Ramsey emphasizes the importance of budgeting, saving for emergencies, and getting out of debt. His practical advice helps readers take control of their finances and build wealth over time. Number 2, Your Money, Your Life by Vicki and Joe Dominguez. Can't say his name sometimes. This classic guide teaches readers how to transform their relationship with money. It encourages a comprehensive review of spending habits and offers tools to achieve financial independence. The book emphasizes mindful spending and savings aligned with personal values. Number 3, I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. Aimed at a young adult, Sethi's book combines humor and practical advice. It covers budgeting, saving, and investing in a straightforward manner, making it accessible for those new to managing their finances. Number 4, The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko. This book explores the habits and characteristics of wealthy individuals who live below their means. It highlights the importance of frugality and strategic saving as key to building wealth over time. These books offer practical strategies and insights for anyone looking to improve their financial health.